afternoon to everybody. Respected Negi Saab, Das Saab, dignitaries sitting on dash, delegates and my team members of Rigil Techno India Private Limited. Sir, we have elaborated a lot of different things. Only I wanted to add something, whatever presentation has been given by Das Saab. Regarding audits, he has told about T4S. In addition of T4S, for which PNG is wholly responsible for that one, owners in petroleum sectors, they are doing external safety audit, electrical safety audit, and internal their own design safety audits, going different sessions and picking the points. Area of concern is here that whatever observations is made by auditors, whether it is implemented in toto, T4S is such a audit that it is covering all. If any organization is doing T4S audit correctly and honestly, it will be covered. But due to different incidents and accidents took place in different organizations, what happened? Electrical safety audit has been given due importance nowadays. And it has been become mandatory for all organizations to do electrical safety audit every year. One more thing I wanted to add here regarding leakage system and detection. So many friends are there for their demonstration. This gas leak detection system, flame-proof items, flame detector system, and HCD, hydrocarbon detector system. We are installing as per norms, as per the standard, as per the tender documents, and as per the specification. But whatever you are leaving there, that for a particular period, calibration is required, and in audit you have found that calibration date has expired, but it has been not checked again. So whatever something is happening that is unable to detect, that is unable to ignite. So this is area of concern. So particular persons who are sitting from petroleum sectors, they have to implement that this is calibrated timely and testing is done as per recommendation of manufacturers and owners. These are the points that I wanted to add. Thanks a lot. One more thing that I shall tell you here, in cross-country pipeline, a CGD, particularly steel, joint coating is an important activity and it plays a vital role in line of integrity. So I shall request Mr. Abhinit to tell few lines about our joint coating, sleeve joint coating, supplied by Rigil Techno India Private Limited. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Thakur sir. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Abhinit. I am from Rigil Techno India Private Limited, and here are a few slides regarding our work in the joint coating material. So, for pipeline asset integrity management, the safety starts while the construction is going on. So these are the few, the importance of the anti-corrosive materials. We have to, these anti-corrosive materials ensure the pipeline integrity. It provides the protection against corrosion and environmental factor, as well as it extends the life cycle of the pipelines. So these are mainly 7 types of joint coating techniques which we use in pipeline laying. And currently, mostly we use heat shrinkable sleeves for the joint coating, because most of the cross-country pipeline using 3LP coating on their SS pipe or MS pipes. So we are currently supplying these three products: FRDP-80, which is for open trench pipeline laying, and FRDK for SDD method, and FRDX we use to repair the coating material which is already on the pipe. These are, we are introducing few new products also, and these are the products which are going to be introduced in Indian markets. So first is FRDM, heat shrinkable sleeve. It is also a heat shrinkable sleeve, and it is only 2 layers. And it is the operation temperature of the pipeline design is up to 65 degrees Celsius. Second product is FRDP PP. So as you all know that currently we are using the 3LP coating system, 3-layer polyethylene. FRDP PP is 3-layer polypropylene. And these mechanical strength of these products are much better, and also their temperature resistance is much better. So these products can be used for the 80-degree and above pipeline. And this new product is viscoelastic paste. Since this product is like very soft and easy to use, it can be fit in any nook and crannies. So this is the application and usage of the viscoelastic paste. We can use it in flanges. We can also use it in very like extreme corners of the walls or any other things. And this is high temperature cold applied tape. It is only it is 2-layer cold applied tape. It doesn't need to, any heating or anything like that, and it has excellent adhesion. And we do not need any primer or any other thing to apply this. This comes in a tape form. We just have to apply on the bare pipe. This is aluminum foil viscoelastic tape, and it has high UV light resistance. So whenever there is a chance of high UV light falling on the pipe, we can use this product. And these are the few precautions we should actually keep in mind during pipeline joint coating. Firstly, we have to have appropriate tools, because as often we go out on the sites, we often see that there are many contractors who does not have properly calibrated tools and properly calibrated like machineries to even measure the thickness of the material. So, so that is why the proper calibrated tools are important. We have to also strictly follow the weather conditions. Like in most of the procedure SOPs provided by owners, the humidity factor is also there, and we cannot apply our products like field joint coating material in higher than 85% humidity. But as we see on site often, whatever the humidity is there, the contractor just do their work. They do not follow these SOPs. We have to also be careful during surface preparation and the preparation of application of primer. Also, we have to proper heat and roll the joint coating material. These are few our work sites. This is Kanpur Tandla project IOCL. This is 16-inch pipeline, and this is Lakhisarai IOCL pipeline. This one is Panipat, Hyderabad, Paradip, Hyderabad pipeline. This is Jaipur Panipat Naphtha line project. This was our first project. This 12-inch pipeline. This is HPCL's Vijayawada Dharmapuri pipeline project. It is of 16-inch OD. This one is the newest project we did. This is 36-inch new Mundra Panipat pipeline project of IOCL, and this was done wholly by our project part was for only HDD. So that is all from my side. Thank you so much.